Making a log store from pallets is a really excellent way of using up pallets and making something very useful for the garden to keep your logs dry. I made mine using old pallet wood of various sizes. I just started with not a square, a cube, no, an oblong. There we go. Screwed together, and then a couple of verticals, and then joined them together with those blue pallets that you can see there. It was just all a bit of screwing. The really important piece of advice to make sure it lasts is to use end grain wood preserver and make sure that the whole thing doesn't rot. Just screw it all together, put some sides on. The only really difficult bit, or the only bit that required any skill whatsoever, was putting the corner bits in. Corner bracings cut at 45 degrees to give it extra stability. Other than that, it was a genuine doddle. Took no effort at all. Then we came to the roof, and for the roof I decided not to use pallet wood, but instead to use some very thin wood I bought from the DIY store, which I then covered in hardboard and then in roofing felt. That was really just to keep it all nice and lightweight. Put it all together. Bob's your uncle finished log store, which has now been serving me for quite a few years and is still as solid as the day it was built. I do advise you to build one for yourself if you've got logs, because A, it's cheap, and B,